So guys, for the first step, once you're on a web browser, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on history, and then click on history again. And then once you're on this, you're going to select delete browsing data, and now you're going to set the time range to all time. Make sure that you have cookies and other site data and cache images and files both selected. Select both of these and then click on delete data. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter, you're going to double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now you're going to select use the following DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 8888, and you're going to make the second line 8844, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, click on enter. And now we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset, and click on enter again. And now we're going to type in netsh space int space ip space reset, and click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.